Before that, we have learned different human geography and physical geography, their relationship with the social sciences. Now we are going to know about physical geography and its importance. Why the physical geography is important, but before learning this, we have to know the four sphere. The four sphere. The first one is lithosphere, that means it's related to rock. It's atmosphere, that means it's related to the layers of our atmosphere, the air surface. Hydrosphere, which is related to the hydrosphere, that is ocean, lakes, ponds, that means all the water surface. And the biosurface. Biosurface, that means in which surface we have the life. It can be plant, it can be animal, but we have the life and their impacts on human life. These five things, four spheres we have that we need to remember, which are included in physical geography. First one is written lithosphere. Now the explanation is given. Lithosphere. Let me change my color. Lithosphere. Lithosphere, that means I have just said the rock surface, that means landforms, drainage, relief, physiography, and crucial for various human activities like agriculture, forestry, and mineral extractions. That means this lithosphere sphere is very much important for doing the activities like agriculture, forestry, because when we are doing these activities, we need to take the land surface. We can't go somewhere else. So lithosphere is much important. Come to the atmosphere. Atmospheric composition, we have different composition, different composition of the air surface, like different components we have: nitrogen, oxygen, carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide, sulfur dioxide, methane. A lot of gases compounds are there, and their structure, temperature. According to the temperature, the pressure will increase or decrease. These relationships we all have to know. Wind surface and its precipitation, three kinds of precipitation classification we have learned. So this whole part is related to the atmosphere and also the climate. In little classes, we have also learned the difference between climate, weather. These all are related to the atmosphere. Come to the hydrosphere. Hydrosphere completely related to the oceans. Yes, that is written ocean, seas, lakes, related aspects, and it's vital for marine life. Yes, it's not vital for us, that I can't say, because we are also having them as a food, the marine life. We can also have them as a food, right? The seafood, we have a cravings of the seafood in different places. Mineral resources also have. So mining is a important activity. It's also related to the hydrosphere. Last is biosphere. Till now we have learned a lot of things on under the biosphere layer, and a lot of branches also we have learned. So this is not I would like to mention, because just now I have done a lot of things, but still there is written some new things, that is living organism and their ecological relationships, including the food chain. And there one thing is not written that I would like to say. Food chain, and food chain is also related to food web. These two are an important part of biosphere. So last, what is written? Physical geography is instrumental in understanding and managing the managing the natural resources, highlighting the crucial interplay between the human and nature. Just now, and for the whole part, we have learned a single thing which is very much related to each other, that is the relationship between humans and nature. How humans made it in a modified manner, how humans are using the natural resources, and how nature is also giving them some chances or opportunities. So this intricate relationship we can't avoid, and this understanding aids in promoting sustainable development. This line is also very important, this word, and especially in the context of rapid resource depletion. Yes, nowadays we are having a lot of we are having a lot of population increase day by day. If I say the population is increasing, like if in this year 1, in the next year 2, next year it is 2 into 2, 4, Next year it is 8, 4 into 2, 2, 8. Next year it is 16, 8 into 2, 16. That's how the population is increasing nowadays. But the production of the foods or the natural resources, it's are increasing like this. So there is a very much gap between the population increase and the increase in production. You can also understand the difference, right? So ecological balances are also getting disturbed by the modern technological advancement. So the short pointers are also mentioned over there. Yes, lithosphere is basis for agriculture, forestry, mining. Atmosphere is affect the lifestyle. Yes, according to the atmospheric components, according to the temperature, rainfall, snowfall and humidity and different another components are also there. We are having our different varied lifestyle. In the winter season, we will not in a cotton clothes, we will definitely will be in a woolen garment. So that is also related to our lifestyles and agriculture industry also. Hydrosphere, there we are getting the sources of mineral resources and also the marine resources. And last thing is biosphere, which includes the ecological relationships and the soil formation. Now the last example is given. This is the last paragraph in this full note, full chapter. That first one is lithosphere. It's a vast plains, plateaus supporting the diverse ecosystem. Here is the atmosphere. We know Amazon area, it's a equatorial area, right? If I'm drawing like this, it's basically a equatorial area. Equatorial climate we can have in Amazon forest, where we are having the high temperature and high rainfall. Throughout the year we can have the rainfall always. That's why it's called 4 o'clock rain. Okay, that's why it's called 4 o'clock rain. After that, come to the hydrosphere. Here we can see the home of numerous rivers like Parana and Guana. These kinds of rivers are also supporting the marine life. And last, biosphere, where you can see rich biodiversity. Why biodiversity is rich? Because a lot of different varieties of animals and tree species we can have there, because the human participation rate is most probably 0, because it's a dense forest. We know that it's a dense forest. An equatorial forest, nobody can enter in a proper way. It's a dense forest, and poisonous animals are also living over there, so it will be harmful for the human beings to enter into the forest. And ecological network, significant contribution and to the global oxygen and carbon cycles. So that is our chapter. Here the chapter is fully end.